So I have a bow I made. I'm going to show you how I made this bow in a second. And just put the bow on it. Okay, so how did I make that? Ribbon. But it's easiest just to buy a bow. But this is just a ribbon. I don't know how much I have. I think it's 2 yards. Feels like it's 2 yards. Yeah, it's about 2 yards. So what you do is just make a loop. It's easiest if there is no side to the ribbon. So it's the same on the front and the front and the no front and back. So just make a loop. Okay, and then I'm going to make another loop here and a loop there, the same size as this. And I'm just holding it. And you want 6 big loops, and then this is the center loop. So 6 big loops and 1 center loop, or 8. Okay, I'm just going to do 8. Okay, and you cut that off, and then this can just go on like that. That'll be the tail. Okay, so just like that. Then you squish it together here. Squish that together. Take a wire or a pipe cleaner or whatever you've got. Okay, and you just twist it. People work in the floral section and the craft stores are really good at this. I'm not so great. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to take it and you're going to pull it and twist it. So take it, twist it, and pull it. And what you're doing is you're stretching it, moving the loops around. And like I said, I'm not so great at it. Some people are really good at it. The key is to get these guys all even. Wired ribbon works great. But basically, that's what you're doing. You're just pulling it out. Like I said, I'm not real great at it, but there you see. You get your loops, and then you want to cut these tails off. You know, cut them at a little pretty angle. Whoops. You get the idea. You just got to keep fussing with it until it makes a decent bow. Like I said, it's easier just to buy the darn things or leave them off because they actually look pretty good with no bow on them at all. But you get the general idea. Okay, so you got a loop, and then the wire, you just stick the wire in there like you've got. And that is the candy, that's a candy bouquet. Didn't quite get that in the front, did I? Well, let's put that in the front. There we go. Okay, let's go on to the sundae. Okay, so we're on to our second candy piece. So what I've done here is I've got a glass, I guess I should have taken that off, just a plain goblet I found at the store. And because it's clear, you're going to see the beans in here, and I don't want to see the beans in here. So what I've got is I've got a bunch of Jelly Bellies all over my floor. Is what I have. Lovely. So let me get the styrofoam out of here. So you're going to fill this up with Jelly Bellies. Color to match your party. And again, this is for the weight. That might be a little too full. Okay. Should go right up to, there we go. And then I have a piece of styrofoam. Now I don't want my styrofoam to go against my candy, if I can help it. So I'm going to put in a little piece of plastic wrap that can separate them. Because we don't have skewers or anything we're sticking in this, I don't have to worry about it going through it. And again, you can use cellophane if you've got it, but the plastic wrap will work. So that way I don't have to worry about the styrofoam hitting my candy. It sticks to everything, doesn't it? Okay, so no styrofoam in the candy. There. So now it's sealed up. And that way they can eat the candy and not worry about having any styrofoam in it. Okay,